Hello, this is my quick review of this Insta360 Link 2, and it's also AI-powered 4K web camera. So what's included in the box, it includes a camera itself. You also have this magnetic stand. You also have a cable, so it's USB-C to C, or it also has an adapter with USB-A. Also inside the box you can find instruction manual, and also right here is included little corners. So what it does, it's actually if you have like a presentation going on and you need a camera concentrating on your whiteboard, you can easily put these little corners around the space on your whiteboard and camera will pick it up right away. So I actually want to do test. I want to connect it to my laptop and we can still film from this camera, but I also can film from Insta360 too, and we can see the difference and I can show you a couple of the cool effects this camera has. So for this reason we can just use USB-A, and you can see I can also separate it. So here's our camera, here's our mountain stand, and when you put it on you need to make sure that it's all leveled properly right here. So here we put it on. Now I can actually put the camera on right here. So here our Insta360, as you can see, and I just want to show you very quick what it has on a screen. It has a lot of different effects right here. As you can see, it's all blurring my background. Or another one effect I absolutely love, and this is for you girls. So we can use actually makeup. So you can see there's like no makeup, and if I, let's say, choose this one, it actually gives me makeup on my eyes, and I can also add makeup to my lips, for example. So yeah, let's actually film it on from the camera, film it from my regular camera right there, and then we can see the difference and how much we like it. And here I am right now is actually filming from Insta360 Link 2 camera, and you can see we have AI tracking, right? So I can just turn on AI tracking, and as you can see I just turned AI tracking, so now camera is actually tracking me all over the room. So let's say if you do presentations, this is like perfect. So you can see now camera is actually tracking me all over the place. So yeah, I can sit down and if you're doing presentations, this is such a good feature. Another feature as this camera has, it also has a whiteboard, so that's where those little corners I was talking to you about. So we can turn on AI tracking. We also have a smart whiteboard desk view, which is really cool. So for example, if if you want to do some kind of filming and you want to show like specific keys on your computer, this desk view automatically let camera like go down, and she can adjust and show the all of the keys, all of the buttons on your keyboard, for example. Now it's come back, and a couple of these features I really want to show you guys. So now we are at 1080 resolution, and I'm still filming. I can also actually do screenshots, which is really cool. So if I want to do screenshot with this box, this is pretty cool. See, now I have actually my thumbnail picture. And this is all filming right now on Insta360 Link 2. And here I think we actually can change our resolution. And here I'm just playing with makeup button. You can see now I have a lipstick. Now I have more makeup on my eyes. And another things I can do, I can just turn on the blur, and if you're working from home or you're doing presentation and you just want to talk and you just blur your background, this is such a cool feature. Or for example, right here I am, you know, I have a sofa behind me, so that's looks really cool too. And just for the reference, I was filming at 1080 and 30 frame per second resolution. Now I am back to 4K and 30 frame per second resolution, and you can definitely tell the difference in my whole background, how it all looks, how clear my picture is. This is such a cool feature just for the webcam. I absolutely love it. So you can see I'm recording right here. My mic is actually working from my regular camera over there. And also you can actually hear me from this camera, and you can also hear me from that camera, from my regular camera. Overall, I absolutely love Insta360 Link 2. I think it's such a great webcam, and you can also film on it. If you're looking for something for presentation or just to upgrade your office space, I highly recommend to check this one out. Thanks for watching.